Digits on the beat.
What's up, Win Squad? And I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another lit video for you guys. Yes, I'm back. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I didn't forget about you guys. I see a lot of you have been DMing me and stuff, like always ask me when I'm gonna, upload a new video. So here it is. I want to say Happy New Year to all my fans and supporters, all the Win Squad family, man. I love you guys. Thank you for the support, and I really appreciate each and every single one of you for always supporting me. So I know for sure this is gonna be a good year for me, for you and your family. So make sure you claim everything that you wish for. Okay, so yeah, so this video, man, like I just wanted to do something different, you feel me? Because I know like it's been a long time, so I just wanted to interact with my people, you feel me? Because I'm like, let me just try to post on my Instagram to see if you guys gonna send me your pictures for me to rate you guys like from 1 to 10. So yeah, some of you guys decided to send me your pictures for me to rate you and stuff, and I'm not gonna do it by myself, so I'm gonna need you guys to I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about the pictures based on, I'm gonna judge them based on what they sent me, you feel me? So I'm gonna need you guys to do the same, rate them from 1 to 10 for number 1, number 2. Now you see what I mean? So we're gonna do it together. So I'm gonna make sure I go under the comment section to see what you give them people, man. I know all of them, they are beautiful, you feel me? So hey, all my followers, all my subscribers, they are beautiful, they are wonderful too. They're always here to support me. So that's the reason why I'm like, you know what, I have to do something different for my people. So without further ado, man, before this video start, you already know what to do. So like this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and comment under the video, man. Let me know what you think about this video. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So yes guys, so I'm gonna put the pictures over here. So let's see, the first one I have right here, man, she's very beautiful. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Like I told you, man, I have a lot of beautiful people on my page. They are beautiful, you feel me? So let's see, she sent me 2 pictures. So oh man, her makeup look nice. Yeah, her makeup look nice. Her is on flick. Okay, and she look like she thick. Yeah, one thing about me, I love girls who have a little something, you feel me? Like for me to kind of grab on, you feel me? Because hey, a nigga love feeling on that booty.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, so this is not what we're here for. We're about to rate that girl, man, from 1 to 10. So I mean, go down below. So number 1, like I said, we're gonna do it together. So number 1, so what you're gonna give her? Me personally, based on her beauty, I'm gonna give her, because of the makeup, I didn't see the natural beauty, you feel me? I didn't see the natural face, so I'm gonna give her 8.5. I think that's fair enough, right? So I'm gonna listen, one thing about me, I'm gonna make sure I rate them fairly, you feel me? I'm not about to say, oh yeah, I know that girl, she's cute. Nah, I'm gonna judge you based on the picture you sent me, you feel me? So hey, I'm just trying to entertain you guys, don't take it too personal, you feel me? So hey, good vibes only. Alright, so yeah, so 8.5, yeah. Alright, so you got 8.5 from me. So what about you guys? Comment down below, let me know what's up, man. And then the next one I got, man, okay, she sent me videos. Okay, she's a cheerleader. Okay, all right, okay, she looks young though, you feel me? She got a a 15-year-old face, but hey, she's still beautiful. Hey, don't play with that girl, man. Cheerleader, you cannot do that. Yeah, so don't hate on that girl, man. So yeah, I'm gonna give her 7.
Oh hell no!
I just because she's beautiful, even though she got a lot of filters and stuff. But hey, you can tell she's a very beautiful woman. But yeah, 7. So let's see, next one, who I got here. Okay, Makeup on look on fleek, eyelashes and everything. Okay. Let's see. She looks like she's tall though. Like, I don't like tall girls, you feel me? That's one thing about me. I'm 5'11", so you gotta make sure you're like 5'7", 5'6", 5'9", 5'10", 5'11". That's a little bit too much, but depends, you feel me? But okay, so that's not what we're here for. Like I said, man, we just about to rate them girls like fairly, right? So let's do it together, Win Squad. Somebody's like, no, DMing me right now, so my bad. So okay, so hold on. So shoot, she's cute. Like I said, man, like me, before you get a 10 out of me, man, you gotta really impress me to a point, like, everything is, on point, you feel me? But hey, she looks good, you feel me? So I'm gonna give her 8.5 like the other ones, you feel me? 8.5. So I'm gonna give her 8.5 because, you know why? She didn't even, like, show me a little, like, some. You look at that picture, man. Like, you should at least, like, put your, like, you sending it to me, you feel me? Like, you gotta at least show me some for me to make sure I give you some prints and stuff.
Oh my God!
You feel me? Like, come on, man. Come on, you know what? I'm gonna give you 8.5. All right. Yeah. Oh, she got some dimples too. All right. I'm in love with that too. Okay. All right. So okay, we got her. She got some filter on, man. What's up with all them filters, man? Like, I understand you gotta look good, but yo, Xiao, like, come on, man. Like, you gotta at least send me something that like send me something that I'm gonna be able to see the whole body. Let me keep on swiping to see if okay. Shoot. Okay, she's working with some. All right.
Oh, damn! I'm finna fuck her.
Okay then. Hey, let me know down below what you're gonna give her. Oh no, that's the next person. You're not supposed to see that yet, man. So hey, she got a little song. Man. So hey. The thing is, like, she got makeup on, she got filter on, so it's like it doesn't match, bro. Like, I cannot say, oh yeah, you're a 10 or you're a 9. Like I said, man, for me to give you a 10, you gotta send me something that that's gonna like, surprise me, you feel me? Like, but I'm gonna give you, I don't know, something with 8.5 like sounds fair to me, you feel me? Like 8.5. I know for sure you're gonna like go down in my comment talking about, oh, why you keep on giving them females 8.5. First of all, like I said, man, I'm just being honest, you feel me? Don't come for me, I'm just being honest.
Okay.
Alright, let's on to the next one, man. She's cute. She got a little song back there, so hey, I can work with that.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo.
Hey, on to the next one, man. But oh, okay. Alrighty, beautiful. She's beautiful. All right. I feel like she don't be wearing a lot of makeup like that. That's good. But it's not like I have something against makeup, okay? But I'm saying, like, if you want me to rate you, you gotta be able to look like presentable and shit. Like, I'm not saying all them people like look nice though, you feel me? So hey, but I'm saying, like, at least show me something that I can give you a 10 for, you feel me? So yeah, so okay, shoot, where you see her right here, she look like she's tall though. Like, I don't like tall women, but hey, she got ass. I ain't gonna lie to you, she got ass back there. So I'm gonna give her, I don't know, for sure. I like her skin though. Like, I like her. I like her skin and everything though. I kinda like her. I'm gonna give her 9. 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, 9. Yeah, okay. But she look old though, like shit. Like,
Well, shit.
if you're watching this video, man, let me know how old you are, man. Cause on to the next one, man. So let me know what you guys gonna give her. Oh, okay, she looks like she's on vacation on the balcony. I know what's going down on that balcony though. Mm-hmm. Yep. Alright though, so okay. Let's see. You know, I have to zoom in, man. Okay, I like her smile. She got a nice smile right here. Okay, she's short. Oh man, okay. She looks nice, she looks nice. But okay, I'm gonna give her like 7.5. 7.5 though. 7.5. She's beautiful though. I like your smile, but 7.5. I don't know why, but 7.5. My body's about to die, but I gotta hurry up and finish this video for you guys. Okay, last one. Okay. She got a bunch of filter though, but I can tell like she still look good though. So I'm gonna give her 8 because she got a lot of filters on. But my body's about to die, so I'm gonna do a part 2. If you guys wanna see a part 2, let me know. Comment down below, say part 2. If you enjoyed this video, man, you already know what you have to do. Comment, like, and subscribe. Like I said, man, happy new year to everybody, man. I wish you guys a great year of 2022. And it was your boy Wens. I'm out. Thank you guys. Till next time.